In this highly sought after, extremely exclusive 28-acre community, we have a $4.2 million mansion in sunny Arizona. My name is Austin Zaback, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of this custom luxury mansion behind me that is 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 7,500 square feet with a 5-car garage, 5 fireplaces, a casita, a pool made of all glass tile costing more than 6 figures, and it is completely lakefront. As soon as you walk in, you immediately come into this quiet, serene little courtyard where you have all of the greenery and you have the fountain behind me, and you feel like you're in Italy with this unbelievable Tuscan Mediterranean type of feel, obviously leading right into the house. Coming right into this beautiful entryway with these unbelievable arches made of brick, leading right out to the lake, and beautiful palm trees with a fireplace and just this quaint little sitting room where you can sit and drink your cup of coffee in the morning. And over here, we've got this extravagant master suite that literally is bigger than the home I currently live in. Walk in, you just feel like you're in a luxury hotel. We have our second fireplace now in a sitting area. And over here, we have this unbelievably huge master bedroom in which you could totally customize and make your own with views of the lake. You can walk out one of 2 doors to get to the lake. We also over here have a sink and a refrigerator again in the master bedroom. And here we've got a soaking tub in the bathroom with a double-sided fireplace, so you can sit here, you can soak with your Epsom bath salts of the highest and purest quality while you look out to the lake. We've got literally brick all the way up top with a chandelier hanging here so you can get ready in the morning and operate on the highest vibrations possible. We have an unbelievable shower, literally bigger than my closet, okay? And obviously that does take us to the actual closet where we've got a full built-in custom closet with granite countertops in the middle so you can put all of your accessories in there. And off to the side, for all of you ladies, we have a washer and a dryer so you no longer have to make those long trips to the laundry room across the house. What I love about this property is when I walk through it, the feeling I get with the big wooden beams and the unbelievable brick throughout the property gives me this Tuscan, Mediterranean, almost like an Italian type of feel. We have this big open concept living room with this massive 10-foot fireplace, making that the 3rd fireplace that we've seen so far. We have the breakfast nook off to the side. We actually have a sink where you can stand here in the mornings or the afternoon and you can look out to the lake and to the pool surrounded by 4 dishwashers. Why in the world you would need 4 dishwashers, I have no idea, but I will tell you it'll make it great for cleaning up after a massive party that you throw in this home. We have a 6-burner Wolf grill obviously all sub-zero appliances, with a sink on the island, a breakfast bar. This kitchen is one that'll take your breath away. Now, I'm no wood expert, but I would say this is some sort of custom mahogany staircase surrounded by, again, this unbelievable brick. And upstairs, we have a beautiful, beautiful game room, teenager room, kind of like an in-house ensuite type of deal. And you could really use it for whatever you want. You've got a couple of bedrooms up here, a couple of bathrooms up here, but my most favorite part about the upstairs is this room right here. And what I love about this room is just the design, the architecture that you feel when you come in here, the wood behind the headboard, and most importantly, the view. The view from up here is just breathtaking. And I know that I said that a little while ago, but truly, truly incredible as you have the lake all around you. Looking down on the pool that we talked about, the all glass tile pool, it is just truly a dream come true for anybody that could afford to live in a house like this. You've got the Casita over here as you walk in with our fourth fireplace. Unbelievable views. I don't know if I mentioned, but you have views in every single room in this entire estate. Obviously, you have a bathroom, you have a closet, but more importantly, you have a king-sized Murphy bed. So if for whatever reason you don't need all of this room for activities, you can fold that down and you can just pass out right there. The Casita also has a walk-in closet, a walk-in shower, a full bathroom with a sink, a refrigerator, and a private entrance not only from the front, but the back leading out to the backyard. The backyard is an entertainer's dream. It is fully lakefront, featuring a 10 feet deep pool with a large jacuzzi lined in all glass tiles, costing over 6 figures. Topping it off with the 5th fireplace in the home. You have plenty of seating around the pool, a grassy outside area, a barbecue, a grilling area, an outdoor shower, and an outdoor bathroom that is fully lakefront. And last but not least, we have a 3-car garage. Obviously, we have another 2 off to the side, but in this one, we have a vintage Murcielago Lamborghini, a Ferrari, and a Tesla, not included, but for the right person, I'm sure we could work a deal. Here we have the private driveway with the additional gate, and off to the side, again, we have the additional 2-car garage attached to the Casita. And there you have it. This is what $4.2 million will buy you in Arizona. My name is Austin Zaback. This property is listed by Sharon Darrow with Kenneth James Realty. I'll make sure to link everything in the description below. I appreciate you for watching, and stay tuned for more house tours.